everyone, it's Miss Julianne from the Wakanda Area Library, and I am here with our November STEM Club. So today we are learning about magnets. So when magnets use their power to attract things, specifically things that are metal or iron, that is called magnetism. And so we're learning about magnets and magnetism. So the first thing is all magnets have two poles. A north and a south pole. So sometimes they look like this. Sometimes they'll look like this. But the magnets that you guys are getting are a little weaker and they look like this. Now there's a magnetized side, the smooth side, and there's a non-magnetized side, the one that kind of has the little ridges. So when you're trying to magnetize something, or use magnetism and attract something, you're going to want to use this flat side right here. That's what you're going to want to use. So, the force of the magnet is called magnetism, and there's three types of magnets. So there's temporary magnets, which means that you magnetize them. They work as a magnet for a short period of time, and then eventually the magnetism disappears. Then there's permanent, which means it's really, really, really hard to demagnetize the magnet. And then there's electromagnets, which are really super, super strong and are only used if you need like the strongest of magnets. So, not all objects are attracted to magnets. Like I said, you're going to want to use iron or anything that's kind of metal. So the top three metals are cobalt, nickel, and iron that attract a magnet. So that's why we can have magnets on a refrigerator, because that's metal, right? That's why we can have magnets in our experiment that we're going to do, because I gave you guys paper clips. And paper clips are made out of metal. So that's what conducts magnetism. What doesn't work with a magnet? Well, glass, plastic, water, rubber, all of those things won't try. So if I have my water bottle with me and I try to stick the magnet to it, does it stick? It doesn't stick. But if I have my scissors, it sticks to my scissors. So, because of the metal. So you're going to have a worksheet in your packet that mentions everyday items you might be able to find in your house, including scissors. And I want you to circle the items that your magnet is attracted to or pulls to. Now, with the two poles, have you ever heard of the saying opposites attract? Well, with the two poles, that's what it means. Now, a north pole is not going to be able to attract another north pole. In fact, they'll repel each other. But a north and a south pole, they are attracted to each other and they will magnetize. Like that. But if you do a south pole with a south pole, they actually repel each other. So you gotta work really hard to get them next to each other. And I can do it if I force it, but they repel each other. So that's how the poles work and how magnetism works. Now, you were given a blank sheet of paper and I want you to draw a maze on it. So my maze looks like this. You can just do one line, you can do two lines, you can do however you would like it to look. But this is the maze I drew. And you're going to want to put your paper clip on it, just like this. And you're going to want to try to get your paper clip through the maze. Now, first things first, make sure they're sticking together. So I just did that, so I knew they could stick. And then you're going to want to try to just guide the paper clip over. And that is how you'll do your magnet maze. So you should have gotten your two magnets, you should get 2 paper clips, a blank sheet of paper, directions to how to do your maze, and then your worksheet. So I hope you guys have lots of fun playing with magnets and learning about magnetism. And I hope you have a wonderful day. See you guys soon. Bye.